Makeup pad removers just do not do it for me. I used to try to take off my makeup with just those little Neutrogena wipes and stuff, but I never felt like my face was truly free of makeup even after I washed my face and everything. So this is a routine that I started to make sure that all my makeup got off, that I felt my face was clean. As you continue to watch, please make sure you comment any questions that you have about the products that I'm using, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel as well.